Hello and welcome back to Young Trajan, where I'm trying to build Rome, and the historical largest imperial borders. I was dealing with a bit of financial problem. I'm still working on. Wait, what? Rebuilding the finances. Oh, okay. Here, conquering more territories didn't deal with the problem because I cannot found my army, my fleet, and my forts with normal taxes, which is a big problem. I think. Oh, Tarraconensis. They won't be happy with such a corrupted guy, which is a minor one. Okay. There you go. It should be better. Yeah, one of the reasons is probably because of my goal. I wanted to go so far, so fast, that basically, even in Italy, most people are still not from. Well, most people, really, most people are, but not by much. If we look at that, yeah, barely 52% here. Here, probably better, 64. 80% here, but you see, even in southern Italy, and even in northeastern Italy, close to the Latium, barely more than 50% of the population is Roman. That is probably a big reason for my financial troubles. And I try to found those armies and to go really far, really soon. And I didn't have the money for trade, as you saw at the end, I think, of the last episode, where I tried to make some more trade routes, but I didn't even have the cash for that. So maybe it was the start. Okay, it doesn't matter. The problem here is, and I didn't even buy a lot of researchers, so I can't save money on that kind of thing. I have to finish this mission, I think, without doing any war. I have a huge aggressive expansion anyway, so it will give it time to go down a little while pops are being converted and money is coming in, etc. So I still need 800 here to finish this, and after that basically it will be over, but just the time I will need to save for that. Let's do that because I don't even need what they bring. It's nothing. While I'm doing that, I can build more claims. Mercia was a pain in my butt. I was thinking that maybe I could actually annex Sicilia. It would make war against Carthage so easy. Okay. There we go. So that could be It will depend on the 3 missions I will have as an option, but yeah, that would be a really good way of dealing with Carthage for the future. I don't have. Come on. Actually, I have so little wine that I was thinking that maybe I should stop selling it for now. Yeah, I'm selling a lot of it and I don't have it for my provinces after that. That's not a good thing. Let's have... yeah, I'll spend a little bit of money on that to make Rome a little bigger and have more money in the future. Westphalia. Oh, okay. That's still good because I have to spend that here. Not importing fish anymore, but fish is important. Nope. I will not negotiate with slaves. Ah, come on. Fine, yes. Of course, but this family is too small. Also, I really hope they will change this. That when you have the console in a family, that it should count there. Like it's extremely prestigious. Maybe you could say that the family is more ambitious because the head of state is from their family, but that just brings some small families. Like look at that. It's more than half are women who cannot hold a position, 3 are kids, and the rest are men, but not good ones. Like, yeah, I really hope they will change that at some point. Yeah, let's go for it. It really does bring some good things, like a better omen and more slaves. Very nice. So 800 and everything will be good. Very good. Of course, it's really corrupt. Very nice. Yeah, you have to get better people and more people. Make babies, damn it. Actually, here I don't need as much forts as I have right now, but actually I'd rather have one here, and here none, and here none. Oh, what is going on in the world? That's the wars. As soon as I'm at 800 and I did that, I will... They don't have anyone good in this family, and they're all corrupt. What was I saying? Yes, as soon as I have the 800, I have to redevelop trade, and then I'll be able to go to war. We're closing in on 100 years. Come on. Actually, I will slowly do it. Okay, so the consul died. I can give this spot to them. They just need one more. Oh, don't need that. 800, very good. Yes. Nice. Really? In 10 years there will be more people who are Romans, so let's wait. Well, things are looking up. Nope. Oops. Yeah, actually. Of course, it's corrupted too. Probably my fault. Maybe I gave him 3 ends. Excellent. Oh, they really don't have food here. Not good. Oh, out of cash. There are 2 cities and not much development. Not much food actually. So that might be the reason. That's amazing. Oh, 4. Good. Region, it's okay, but newcomers have to be Romans. And after that, I said 41. Let's have a bit more of those. And the last one, 2 marketplace, 2 tax offices, 1 more tax office. Okay, plus 34. How does it look? Ah, still a bit short. Anyway, now that's done. Hispanian, come on, give me Carthage. Let's do Cisalpine Gaul. It should be quite fast. To do Eastern Glory would be better in terms of revenues, but it will be very long. That could bring me in the long run good financial. This is crazy. Like, for now, it would take me like 50 or 60 years at least to take everything here. So let's go with Cisalpine Gaul for now. Start mission. Claims. Oh, what did I do? Okay. Okay. That's nice. Nope, I don't want against those. Okay, so I'll go for boy. Now, I was thinking of course it's the obvious choice, but I was thinking maybe I could go this way. But the Senate won't let me do it. And nothing for the fleet, I really don't need to pay for it for this war. What is he? He's a general. I like that kind of things. General of the 2nd Legion, which is here. Yeah, I have better people. Claudie, family. Yeah, oh no, that's you. But I cannot replace you by someone from your family. Okay, let's be kind of nice. Okay, are we ready? More or less. This is Emilia. Okay. Let's check 29 to 9. Okay, that will be a bit of a larger war than I thought. I'll keep this one in defense. I have another legion that I can bring. So let's do it. If really I need it, I have one in Iberia that I can bring Let's reinforce this one a tad. 1, 2, 1, 2. And 2 more here. 1, 2.